Beginner to advanced. The beginner cross, or the cross that we learned first, looks something like this. First you make a daisy on top, on the yellow side, with white pieces, and this is the daisy which taught us everything about the cube. Now we just connect the daisies, and voila, our cross is done. Last up, we got the advanced cross. Now to do this one, you basically look at the color scheme, which is here RGOB, which is red, green, orange, blue. Now we have red here, so we are not gonna look at what the centers are, but just align these pieces, the edges, without looking if they are connected or not. So we have R, then we have G here, which we're gonna align like that, and then we have O, which is right here. We align that, and then there's B, which we align. That makes us the cross, and with one move we match it to everything else. Those were the 3 types of cross. Comment down below which one are you on right now, or if you haven't started at all.